Hello guys, good evening guys. So today we are having Nyamachoma. This is my meat which was marinated yesterday night. It was in the fridge. So I'm going to fry it before I wrap it in a foil and put it back in the choma. You make sure the pan is very hot, so that when you put the meat you hear that seasoning like this. Hear that? So you put so long how I do my pan, hear that seasoning. So you see, to make sure it is turning golden brown. Then you turn the other side also. Let's forget. So guys, this is our meat. Nyamachoma is ready. That is it. So guys, I have this pepper or baking pepper or roasting pepper. I pour my meat inside here. I make sure I wrap it very well. Coming out of it, I do this. Make sure it's very well. That's my meat. I have 2 foil peppers. Onions, I'm going to have them with also the nyamachoma. I didn't show you guys the potatoes. Potatoes are right here. It's already been peeled and washed. Just waiting for a few minutes, then I will boil it. Let us chop the onions. I'm already frying. Chopping a lot of onions. I'm going to fry these onions and mix it in my nyamachoma. I have some rice that I want to make because I have someone who doesn't like eating the chips, so this person will eat the rice. Let me wash it. My rice is here. This is cooked. So guys, here is our onion cooking. Make sure you deep fry my things that I'm going to cut for kachumbari. I have some onion, some carrots, cucumber. This cucumber is from our chamba. Also I have some dhania, which is coriander, which is fresh from the shamba, from the garden, and tomatoes, not from our garden. Tomatoes were bought. I hope you guys are able to see. As you can see, the onion is starting to brown, so you make sure you don't let it burn, but you make it brown. And also there is my kachumbari. It's coming up very soon. So guys, you see my white onions here. This is the one I'm from fried red one, which is there. So guys, our kachumbari is here. It's ready. It has onion. It has some grated carrot, and see how it will come out. I'll show you guys my potatoes are here boiling. So this is my potatoes. Use this. I hope you can see the name. In air fryer. Since we are using air fryer, so I have not started the air fryer yet, but let me start it. So guys, look at my nyamachoma. I hope you're able to see. Fryer to dry just a little, not too much, just a little. So guys, my dinner is ready. So guys, this is our dinner for today. You can see our nyamachoma, you can see our kachumbari, you can see our potato and some rice on the side and some lentils for the rice, and also we have our fresh mango and pineapple juice. So that is our dinner for today guys. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for leaving a comment. If you want to know how I made my meat, please ask me in the comment section and I will answer your question. So you are most welcome to have our dinner with us. If you are new here, this is Afro Carol's kitchen. Welcome ladies and gentlemen. Happy Sunday to everybody. and also tell me where you are watching me from, and I'll be happy to see you or to meet you. Thank you. Have a good night. Love you.